welcome your hosts, Mr. TJ Valderrama, It's Showtime Funny One, BBB Season 10 Celebrity Edition, TV and movie actor, and Miss Angelica Maranan Maglano, Sanata de Ilocos Tour 2017, Beauty Derm Ambassadress, and former host at Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, Cauayan City. Magingay naman po tayo ngayong gabi.
Grabe! Ang energy, partner!
I'm loving the energy. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. I feel so blessed and overwhelmed to be hosting this grandest pageant coronation in the northern Philippines. And it is my pleasure to be here with you, Cauayenyos. Palakpakan naman po ninyo ang inyong mga sarili. Let me hear ya. I can feel that everyone is really excited tonight. Beside me is the gorgeous Miss Angelica Maglano. Palakpakan naman po natin si Miss Angelica.
Wow! Thank you so much for that, TJ. Naimbag Arabii! Handsome and beautiful Cauayenyos! Ayun, parang ang dami talagang magaganda at gwapo dito, syempre. But tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we will showcase beauty and diversity in this center stage. I feel so glad to be back because this year we are gracing this event with all of you with so much anticipation. The much coveted title of Mutya ng Cauayan 2024.
That's right. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the much awaited Mutya ng Cauayan 2024 Grand Coronation Night. One more time, let me hear you make some noise, please.
Naku,
Parang mahina, partner.
Ulitin natin.
Ulitin natin, sabay tayo. Okay? This is the much awaited Mutya ng Cauayan 2024 Grand Coronation Night!
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Tourism Philippines Universe 2023, Cauayan City's Pride, Miss Julie May P. Villanueva. Ladies and gentlemen, may we call on Honorable Cesar J.C. S.E. Jr. to award the bouquet to our Miss Tourism Philippines Universe 2023, Miss Julie May P. Villanueva. Miss Julie May P. Villanueva will represent the Philippines in Lebanon for her international pageant this September. Cauayan City's Pride. A round of applause, please. Bamboo Reverie by Unica Iha. The collection stands as a tribute to nature's regenerative power and how it can weave together sustainability and style. It's proof that fashion can exist harmoniously with the environment. It celebrates the strength and resilience of bamboo, both in the wild and in the fashion industry, a way of paying a stylish, elegant homage to the beauty that surrounds us and Bayo's unwavering commitment to a greener, eco-conscious fabric of the future. The inspiration comes from the robust strength and the gentle swaying grace of regenerative bamboo fibers. The lush tropical greenery that houses the bamboo plantations serves as an eternal muse for this collection. Its color palette is inspired by deep forest greens, a spectrum of serene blues, and muted browns that not only pay homage to the bamboo's lush habitat, but also symbolize Bayo's dedication to preserving these natural wonders and adding the youthful vibe that resonates with today's fashion-forward audience. Ladies and gentlemen, Bamboo Reverie by Unica Iha. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome on stage again our Mutyas and their Bamboo Reverie by Unica Iha.
Designers and enthusiasts. To our student designers, the DOST through the Philippine Textile Research Institute is your partner in realizing your twofold task of creating and innovating in the realm of textiles, apparel, and its cognate industries.
Nilikay from the Fashion Institute of the Philippines. Echoing the spirit of Baraki from the Benguet State University. Mga kwento sa Bisa de Gallo by the De La Salle College of St. Benilde. Magbagong tatag from the Technological University of the Philippines, Manila. Higugma from the SOFA Design Institute. Marcano Venta from the Pangasinan State University. Luyong from Iloilo Science and Technology University. Threads of Heritage from the Iloilo Science and Technology University. Sardina Esplendor from the SOFA Design Institute. Harmony of Harvest from the Fashion Institute of the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome back on stage our Mutgas in the creations from Stitch Off. Philippine Tropical Fabrics for Luxury Resort Wear by the Davao Fashion Design Council Foundation Incorporated. The DFDC, in partnership with DOSC PTRI and Discovery Samal, presents the Stellar Luxury Resort Wear Collection, aligned with a creative partnership forged to promote homegrown, sustainable fashion and lifestyle that highlights PTFs and local weaves. All pieces in this collection are made from pineapple blended fabrics developed by DOSC PTRI and designed by members of DFDC. This is also part of the Beyond the Loom or Bloom project, a fashion as a force for good initiative. The project is positioning Davao fashion in the global luxe resort wear market while empowering, educating, and upskilling the local farmers, weavers, designers, and the young generation of crafters and artisans to design and create globally competitive material surfaces using tropical fibers and homegrown technology from Mindanao, as well as innovative fabric blends developed by the DOSC PTRI. Philippine Tropical Fabrics for Luxury Resort Wear by the Davao Fashion Design Council Foundation, Incorporated. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome back on stage our Mutyas wearing creations from Davao Fashion. We have witnessed science and art woven into one, a powerful proof of the limitless possibilities for Philippine tropical fabrics. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2024 Kat Hobby Philippine Tropical Fabrics Reimagined. The runway as a candidate struck Jepango's creation. Let's begin with Mutya 1, Jarina Sundu, representing Barangay Kabaruan. Vital statistics, 33, 24, 35. Mutya 1, Jarina Sundu. Vital statistics, 33, 27, 36. Mutya 2, Joyce Lynn Ann Katawan. Mutya 3, Princess Ariel Blacks, representing Barangay Bagulon. Vital statistics, 34, 26, 35. Mutya 3, Princess Ira Blacks. Mutya 4, Princess Aguinaldo, representing Barangay Buyon. Vital statistics, 35, 26, 36. Mutya 4, Princess Aguinaldo. Mutya 5, Jessica Ladores, representing Barabuli 1. Vital statistics, 34, 27, 35. Mutya 5, Jessica Ladores. Mutya 6, Jessara Cassandra Remo Plus, representing Barangay San Antonio. Vital statistics, 34, 27, 36. Mutya 6, Jessara Cassandra Remo Plus. Mutya 7, Chera Miliares, representing Barangay San Luis. Vital statistics, 34, 26, 35. Mutya 7, Chera Miliares. Mutya 8, Bay Rose Abagaga, representing Barangay Disimuray. Marie Opeña, representing Barangay San Francisco. Mutya 13, Sydney Vivas. Mutya 14, Paula May Reyes, representing Barangay Turayon. Vital statistics, 34, 26, 35. Mutya 14, Paula Reyes. Mutya 15, Joanna Servilla, representing Barangay Villa Concepcion. Vital statistics, 35, 26, 36. Mutya 15, Joanna Servilla. Mutya 16, Irish Palangaw, representing Barangay Gagaputan. Vital statistics, 34, 27, 35. Mutya 16, Irish Palangaw. Mutya 17, Stephanie Basilio, representing Nungnungan Dos. Vital statistics, 34, 27, 36. Mutya 17, Stephanie Basilio. Mutya 18, Joan Patrice Baroa, representing Barangay Alicaucao. Vital statistics, 34, 26, 35. Mutya 18, Joan Patrice Baroa. Mutya 19, Donna Andres, representing Barangay Dapura. Vital statistics, 33, 24, 34. Mutya 19, Donna Andres. Mutya 20, Cristel Ngayan, representing Barangay Karapatan Punta. Vital statistics, 34, 27, 36. Mutya 20, Cristel Ngayan. Mutya 21, Francine Kyle Lopez, representing Barangay Buena Suerte. Vital statistics, 33, 25-37. Mutya 21, Francine Carl Lopez. Mutya 22, Emmy Princess Domingo. Representing Barangay Kasalatan. Vital statistics 34, 27, 35. Mutya 22, Emmy Domingo. 33, 24, 35. Mutya 23, Hana Balog. 24, Giselle Molina. Representing Barangay Kabugao. Vital statistics 33, 27, 36. Mutya 24, Giselle Molina. Mutya 25, Jennifer Puyong. Representing Barangay District 1. Vital statistics 34, 26, 35. Mutya 25, Jennifer Puyong. Mutya 26, Princess J. Maria Copa. Representing Barangay Manawag. Vital statistics 35, 26, 36. Mutya 26, Princess Acoba. Mutya 27, Princess Badungon. Representing Barangay Alingang. Vital statistics 34, 27, 35. Mutya 27, Princess Badungon. Mutya 28, Lovely Matt Balyado. Representing Barangay Maligaya. Vital statistics 34, 27, 36. Mutya 28, Lovely Matt Balyado. Mutya 29, Jamela Nicole Valdez. Representing Barangay Barabulik 2. Vital statistics 34, 26, 35. Mutya 29, Jamela Nicole Valdez. Mutya 30, Crisel Viv Manuel. Representing Barangay San Pablo. Vital statistics 33, 24, 34. Mutya 30, Crisel Manuel. Mutya 31, Miles Angeline Corpus, representing Barangay Rizal. Vital statistics 34, 27, 36. Mutya 31, Miles Corpus. Mutya 32, Jemison Foronda, representing Barangay Baringin Sur. Vital statistics 33, 25, 37. Mutya 32, Jemison Foronda. Mutya 33, Rosebel Salome. Representing Barangay Nagrumban. Vital statistics 34, 27, 35. Mutya 33, Rosebel Calonge. Mutya 34, Lovely Heart Felipe, representing Barangay Carabatan Grande. Vital statistics 33, 24, 35. Mutya 35, Jasmine L. Fernandez, representing Barangay San Fermin. Vital statistics 33, 27, 36. Mutya 35, Jasmine Fernandez. Let us welcome once more our 35 alluring candidates in their swimwear.
Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause, please. This has been our swimsuit competition reward.
And speaking of rewards, we are now ready to award our first set of special awards. Starting with
the stage, please. Our presenters, thank you very much. Get your cameras out and capture this moment, our first set of awardees.
And of course, thank you very much to our dear sponsors and partners for sharing with our candidates this special awards.
Thank you so much po sa inyo.
Kaya naman, Cauayenos, palakpakan naman po natin
Round of
the winners
applause.
of our first set of special awards.
Thank you, ladies. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Congratulations once again, the first batch or the first set of our special awards. One more time, baka naman po pwede namin marinig na palakpakan natin.
Mutya 1, Jarina Sandu. Representing Barangay Kabaruan. Mutya 2, Joyce Lynn Ann Kadawan. Representing Barangay Karabatan Chica. Mutya 3, Princess Ira Blacks. Representing Barangay Bacolod. Mutya 4, Princess Aguinaldo. Representing Barangay Buyon. Mutya 5, Jessica Lardones. Representing Barangay Marabuli 1. Mutya 6, Jessara Cassandra Remobulas. Representing Barangay San Antonio. Mutya 7, Jera Millares. Representing Barangay San Luis. Mutya 8, May Rose Abaga. Representing Barangay Disimuray. Mutya 9, Memory of Peña. Representing Barangay San Francisco. Mutya 10, Althea Samantha Pascua. Representing Barangay Silawit. Mutya 11, Sandrine Desiree Cristobal. Representing Barangay Labinab. Mutya 12, Kashmira Rohini Duria. Representing Barangay District 2. Mutya 13, Sydney Alea Vivas. Representing Barangay Minante Dos. Mutya 14, Paula May Reyes. Representing Barangay Turayong. Mutya 15, Joanna Servilla. Representing Barangay Villa Concepcion. Mutya 16, Irish Palangaw. Representing Barangay Gagaputan. Mutya 17, Stephanie Basilio. Representing Barangay Nungnungan Dos. Mutya 18, Joanne Patrice Baroa. Representing Barangay Alicaucao. Mutya 19, Donna Andres. Representing Barangay Daburab. Mutya 20, Cristel Ngayan. Representing Barangay Karapatan Punta. Mutya 21, Francine Kyle Lopez. Representing Barangay Buena Suerte. Mutya 22, Emmy Princess Domingo. Mutya 23, Hannah Nicole Balog. Representing Barangay Duminid. Mutya 24, Giselle Molina. Representing Barangay Kabugao. Mutya 25, Jennifer Puyong. Representing Barangay District 1. Mutya 26, Princess Jane-Marie Acopa. Representing Barangay Manawag. Mutya 27, Princess Badungon. Representing Barangay Alinang. Mutya 28, Lovely Matt Balyado. Representing Barangay Maligaya. Mutya 29, Jamela Nicole Valdez. Representing Barangay Marabulig Dos. Mutya 30, Crisel Bib Manuel. Representing Barangay San Pablo. Mutya 32, Jemison Foronda. Representing Barangay Baringin Sur. Mutya 33, Rosebel Calonge. Representing Barangay Nagrumbuan. Mutya 34, Lovely Heart Felipe. Representing Barangay Karabatan Grande. Mutya 35, Jasmine L. Fernandez. Representing Barangay San Fermin, ladies and gentlemen, once again, let us welcome back our 35 candidates in their long gown, vying for
Minor awards. Starting with
Are you ready, partner? Everybody, are you ready? They are so ready. So let us begin. Let's start with Mutya Kopiko Blanca.
To present the award of Mutya Kopiko Blanca, may we call on Mr. Maki Agabao, Area Distribution Manager of Eco Essentials.
Mutya Kopiko Blanca is Mutya 1.
Our next award is Miss Jollibee SM Cauayan.
To present the award of Miss Jollibee SM Cauayan, may we call on Assistant Restaurant Manager, Mr. Emerson Hernandez.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Jollibee SM Cauayan is Mutya 1.
Our next award is Mutya Novelino Sparkling.
To present the award of Mutya Novelino Sparkling, may we call on Mr. Efren Malabanan, Distributor Manager of Novelino Wines.
Mutya Novelino Sparkling is Mutya 12.
And now our next award is Mutya Kagandahang Flores.
Bro Kagandahang Flores Award recipient will receive 50,000 peso worth of training to national pageant by Rodin Flores, to be awarded by Honorable Gary G. Galutera.
This is definitely a huge opportunity.
Right.
Our Mutya Kagandahang Flores is Mutya 1.
now we move on to our next award. Ladies and gentlemen, our next award is Mutya D.N. Steele.
To present the award of Mutya D.N. Steele, may we call on Honorable Balong Wee.
Mutya D.N. Steele is Mutya 1.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we proceed to our next award. Our next award is Best in Casual.
To present the award of Best in Casual, may we call on Honorable Rufino Arcega.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we will present the next award, which is Miss Photogenic.
To present the award of Miss Photogenic, may we call on Honorable Cynthia Uy Balayayan, Honorable Victor H.D. Jr.
Our Miss Photogenic is Mutya. I heard it! It's Mutya 1!
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we proceed to our next award, which is Best in Swimsuit.
To present the award of Best in Swimsuit, may we call on Honorable Paulo Eliezer Del Mendo and Congresswoman Jocelyn Bua Tulfo.
Who do you think stood out during the swimsuit round? Come on, Cauayan City!
Let me hear ya!
Who is the best in swimsuit? The best in swimsuit is Mutya. 11!
And now our next award is Best in Talent.
To present the award of Best in Talent, may we call on Honorable Edwin De Luna.
Our best in talent is Mutya. 35!
Ladies and gentlemen, our next award is the People's Choice Award.
To present the award of People's Choice Award, may we call on Honorable Arcom Berries Board Member, Honorable Edgardo Atienza, Assistant Fiesta Director General.
The People's Choice Award will go to Mutya! 11!
And our final award for tonight. We have the best in evening gown.
Wow! Ang bilis, partner.
Oo,
To
partner.
present the award of Best in Evening Gown, Baby Colon, Honorable Balong Asiril, and Secretary Renato Solidum.
This is it. The best in evening gown is Mutya. 11!
Our presenters to the stage, please. To present the awards to our lovely, lovely ladies for tonight.
Ladies who are very much deserving of the special minor and corporate award.
That's right. And I believe our audience is very, very happy as well.
They went wild, partner.
They did, partner.
After-
Narinig natin sila.
Oo, after seeing their personal bets, grab numerous awards.
That's right.
Nako, grabe talaga nga namang ramdam na ramdam natin ang suporta ng ating mga audience.
That's right, audience. Okay pa po ba kayo dyan?
Ay,
Okay na
nako,
okay,
okay
pa
na
sila, partner.
okay.
Okay na okay ba?
Kitang-kita ko pa ang kanilang mga numero at kanilang mga tarpaulin, di ba?
Andyan pa, nakataas pa, partner, ang kanilang mga tarpaulin sa pagpapakita ng kanilang suporta para sa kanilang bet. ng
Nakakatuwa, partner, kasi dito natin makikita yung init ng suporta ng mga kawayenyo.
Totoo. Grabe sila magpakita ng pagmamahal.
Exactly, partner.
Grab your cameras, capture this moment. So once again, congratulations to all our winners. Palakpakan naman po natin ang mga winners ng ating second set of awards. Let me hear ya. There you go. Now at this point, we are now a few steps away from knowing our Mutya ng Cauayan 2024.
Let us ask our audience, are you excited to know who will join the top 15? Gising na gising.
Gising na gising sila, partner. Dito na kasi tumataas yung tension. Eh.
Oo, palapit na tayo ng palapit.
Oo, biruin mo from 35.
Down to 15.
That's right. So, again, like I said earlier, the tension and the pressure is really blazing here on stage as we are now going to make the cut from 35 lovely ladies to our top 15.
And of course, later on, we're gonna have a different format for the next round.
Oh,
If during
yes.
the preliminaries they had their Q&A or interview, one-on-one interview, right now they will be airing their advocacies. Chosen
right, partner.
advocacies. And you know, I can feel the sheer excitement in the air, and I know that our audience share the same sentiment. Partner, tama ba ako?
Tama ka dyan, partner. Ito, nakuha ko na ang listahan. Mainit-init pa. So,
Kulang pa nako, Cauayan! Iparamdam nyo naman ang mainit na suporta ninyo!
eto na, partner. This is it. Our top 15. I am now holding the list in my hands, and we will begin with the first one. This is in no particular order. Here we go. Our first top 15 finalists, in no particular order, from Barangay Kabugao, Giselle Molina.
for you, Barangay Manawag! Miss Princess Acoba.
Our next finalist is from Barangay Kabaruan, Jarina Sandu.
Our fourth spot is yours, Barangay Baringin Sur, Jemishen Foronda.
Our next spot belongs to District 2, Kashmira Duria.
And our next spot is yours, Nungnungan 2, Stephanie Basilio.
Next, we have from Barangay Bacolod, Princess Ira Blas.
And our next finalist is from Barangay Buena Suerte, Francine Kyle Lopez.
Next spot is yours, Barangay Silyawit, Althea Samantha Pascua.
Now the next spot is yours, San Fermin, Jasmine Fernandez. In Villa Concepcion, Joanna Servilia.
Welcome to the top 15, Karabatan Chica, Joyce, Lynn, and Kaduan.
So we have last two spots. You are still in the competition, Barangay Labinab, Sandrine Desiree Cristobal.
And finally, pasok ka sa top 15, Barangay Rizal, Miles Angeline Corpus.
Cauayan City, your top 15 finalists. A big round of applause for them, please. And please give warm round of applause to all the candidates for joining this year's Mutya Cauayan 2024.
24, that's right.
And of course, for the next round of the competition, the criteria will be SDG Advocacy is 40%, and she picked SDG 3, good health and well-being.
Good health, well-being. I want to advocate everyone with a good health, well-being. Gusto kong i-advocate ang health ng mga karamihan. Oh my God. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Barangay Cabugao, Giselle Molina.
Just a reminder to all our audience to please remain quiet while the candidates are organizing their thoughts and answering or explaining their chosen SDG.
That's
Maraming
right.
salamat po.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. And now we proceed with our next Mutya from Manawag, Princess Acoba.
All right, so our magic ball, ayan. Dito ka na lang sa tabi namin para hindi ka mapagod, kuya. Okay. SDG 7.
Affordable and clean energy. I want to promote usage of renewable sources, which is the dam, renewable energy rather, dams, windmills, and even the solar panel that can give us an efficient electricity. We must also support the young ones who are striving or pursuing technology and science, because I know that they can create an impact by developing innovation that can contribute a lot in the sustainable of our environment. Thank you so much.
Thank you. SDG 7.
Wow, medyo matindi rin yun. Oh. Tuloy-tuloy po tayo, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Now we proceed with Barangay Kabaruan, Jarina Sandu.
Please. And she picked SDG 9.
9.
SDG number 9. I have this project which is all about having collaborations with different organizations here in Cauayan City to elevate the economy that we have, to elevate the status.
Baringin Sur, Jamishan Foronda.
And she picked SDG 15.
I want to advocate of ourselves.
Kashmira Duria.
SDG 14.
As a medical technologist, I know that water is the source of life. And not only that, but there are so many parasites in water.
As such, I would love to partner with the local government and educational institutions to talk about the value of having clean, functional pipes that are well maintained. Because of course, no one wants to live with worms in their stomach. And also, water is not only it's not a luxury, it's basically a basic necessity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kashmira Duria.
Thank you so much.
Parang tinamaan ako dun sa worms in the stomach.
Oh, medyo gumalaw sila.
Gumalaw
no?
sila, nagparamdam sila, partner. Now,
Alright.
let us proceed with Mutya from Nungnungan 2, Stephanie Basilio.
SDG 13.
Climate action. We all know that we are experiencing a lot of climate because of climate action. If I were going to promote and start my advocacy, I will promote my advocacy, which is to planting trees and iwasan po nating magsunog. Para sa akin, ang pagpapahalaga
SDG 16.
Some areas are experiencing peace, security, and prosperity, while others are not. As a Mutya ng Cauayan candidate, I will be an agent of change by advocating reducing all forms of violence and promoting legislation services. By doing that, I know that our community will be a secure and peaceful society. And by uniting together, we will make a difference and no one will left behind. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now we proceed with Mutya from Buena Suerte, Francine Kyle Lopez.
SDG 6.
Clean water and sanitation. We all know that water is very important to everyone. So we should advocate clean water and sanitation for us to be healthy, to live better and healthier. So as we work together, we can build and we can preserve and conserve clean water and sanitation. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
That's Mutya 21.
That's right. And
Up next.
We have from Barangay Silyawit, Althea Samantha Pasqua. SDG 8.
I always believe in the power of our community and people. As a Mutya ng Cauayan, I will use my voice and knowledge to use my voice and collaboration to decent work and economic growth.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
you
you
very
so
much.
much.
Althea Samantha Pasco. Now we proceed to our next Mutya from Barangay San Fermin, Jasmine Fernandez.
And she picked SDG 2.
Malnutrition and hunger is visible to children. As a Mutya ng Cauayan, I want to raise an awareness about having a proper planning. We should not bring children in this world if we cannot provide their basic needs, even their food. And most importantly, to promote and empower our agricultural sector. Why? Because they are the truly pillar of our economy. And once we have an agricultural sector that is secured, we will have a food security, and then we will be a key player in this globally competitive world. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
For Zero Hunger.
That's right, Zero Hunger. Now we proceed to our next Mutya from Barangay Carabatan Grande, Lovely Heart, Philippine.
USDG's left, and now she picked SDG 10.
Reduce inequalities. Naniniwala ako na lahat tayo ay pantay-pantay, ano man ang estado natin sa buhay. Kaya,
Thank you. Lovely Heart, Philippine. Now we proceed to our next Mutya from Barangay Villa Concepcion, Joanna Servilla.
Joanna, your SDG. Ano kaya? It's SDG 17.
I reckon that the lack of advancement in our locality is the waking up for the youth and to our leaders in order for them to conspire and collaborate for the accumulation of this SDG, in order for the people and its community to increase their level of awareness and their enlargement of participation in this SDG. And surely by that, we can win the United Nations by advocating of this SDG in our city. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Collaboration and partnerships.
Collaboration and partnerships for the
All
goals.
right.
Our next Mutya is from Barangay Carabatan, Chica Joyce Lynn Ann Kadawan.
She picked SDG 12.
As a beauty queen and a student leader, I can be a voice for the responsible in consumption. And in promoting this by community and health services. Because I believe that this will serve as a platform to have an awareness of public health and to educate people and to have the power. And I encourage everyone to join me with this campaign with solidarity and unity. Let us work together for the greater heights of successes. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Now let's call on our Mutya from Barangay Labinab, Sandrine Desiree Cristobal.
And she picked SDG 5.
In order for us to realize gender equality, we must remember the adopt, apply, and advocate system. We have to evaluate the system and identify problems so we can find a solution. Recalibration of our routines is also needed for us to adapt to the demands of the new era. We have to provide equal opportunities to all gender, especially in the workplace, and ensuring the awareness of everyone's rights and responsibilities. Lastly, we have to advocate this SDG, for big challenges cannot be solved alone. So our collective efforts are needed, and it's important for us to let others have a seat in the table and be included.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Inclusivity, partner.
Inclusivity partner. Tama, well said. Now, finally, we have from Barangay Rizal, Miles Angeline Corpus.
SDG 4.
Quality education. Education.
All right. Thank you so much, ladies, for giving us your firm standpoints and sharing your ultimate goal when crowned as Mutya ng Cauayan 2024. Palakpakan naman po natin lahat sila. That took courage, that took guts. Hindi po ito basta-basta. Di ba, partner?
Grabe, partner, that round was definitely a different challenge for our ladies as we got to know them better and know their different advocacies aligned with the different SDGs. Nakakatuwa, partner, that we get to check that out because you know right now, it's more than the beauty. It's their personality and the heart that they have to serve our community.
That's right, partner. Tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, hindi basta-basta ang pagsampa dito sa entablado. Mahirap din ito.
Kaya naman, palakpakan naman po natin mga kaibigan, our top 15 finalists. And grabe, ang bilis, partner.
Yes,
Agad-agad
partner.
po after our top 15, we will be announcing our top 5 finalists.
Top 5 na, partner. Wow.
Grabe, di ba? Nako, kanina, andun lang tayo sa kanilang opening production number and then the swimwear, their fashion show, evening gown, the SDG advocacy speech, and right now, we are down to the last round of the competition. Nako, partner.
Ito na to. Nakakakaba na to, partner.
So I believe, of course, our board of judges are deliberating it well.
They're finalizing our final 5, as we would like to call that. Kayo po ba? Okay pa po ba kayo dyan?
Siguro, partner, tanungin mo sila kung sino sa tingin nila ang makakapasok sa top 5.
Out of our top 15, isigaw nyo kung sino ang inyong pambato. Go!
Parang ang hina! Mutya number!
Parang ang hirap rin marinig nun. Isa pa nga. Mutya number! Meron doon.
No? Ayun, may nakikita ako.
May nakikita din ako eh.
Sila Mami, ayun, nakikita ko. Talagang very supportive.
May 11 daw doon.
Merong number 2 doon. Ano
Merong
pa po bang numbers?
Ano po mga numbers mo dyan?
1. Ano
One.
pa? 7. Meron ba 7?
Sinicheck ko nga partner eh. Merong 2.
6. Tama po ba yung kita ko? Ayan, iba't ibang numbers po ng ating top 15. Ang nakikita natin na talaga nga namang sinusuportahan ng ating mga kawayenyos as we do wait for the final result. Para lang sa ating top 5 muna yan.
Correct. Nakakakaba naman talaga to partner, no? Biruin mo kanina 35, now 15. And tapos yung pinagdaanan nila kanina was really nerve-wracking. Mamimili ka ng topic, no? And then you're gonna have to expound on that. That really wasn't easy. Kung ako yung tanongin doon, partner, baka hindi ko rin kayanin. Feeling ko yung mga
Yung mga bulate, sabi mo kanina.
yun. Sila yung magpapanik talaga, partner.
Kaya partner, it's really not easy for, of course, all the candidates to stand here in front and to answer or explain their advocacies. Grace under pressure talaga. And that is why I really admire the Cauayan city of Isabela because, you know what, they get to encourage and empower the women and they use this platform to showcase how women are really well-versed of societal issues and how active they are in the community.
Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 36. Angelica
Kasali pala.
Kasali ka pa. Alam mo,
Kasali ba?
nakwento natin kanina sa ating audience na ikaw eh talaga namang nag-pageant din before. That's why ang galing mo din mag-explain, ang galing mo din maghayag ng mga ganyang matatalinhagang salita.
Bukod sa teacher po ako by profession.
Kaya naman pala. Yun
Oo
naman
naman. Ayan. Siyempre, nako, our candidates, as you can see them on stage, ladies and gentlemen, they are all equally beautiful. And their personality radiates. And I know that these women have worked really hard for tonight's competition. Kaya naman mga kaibigan, palakpakan po natin muli our top 15 finalists. For being a part of the top 15, grabe na partner, talaga nga namang tough. Hindi lang tough,
Hindi
diba?
lang tough.
I know because the challenge is really tough to represent Cauayan City as the new queen. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, would like to thank our generous sponsors.
Once again, maraming salamat po, Dalin JD Transport Incorporated.
Thank you very much as well, Ginebra San Miguel.
Senator Rafi Tulfo, maraming salamat po.
DN Cauayan Steel Corporation.
Converge.
Talavera Leasing Corporation.
GJ Talavera Lending Incorporated.
Talavera Hypermart.
KC Talavera Builders Depot.
Republic Gas Corporation.
LPGMA.
Multigas.
The Maximilian Hotel and Resorts.
Isabella Jobson Marketing.
Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated.
SM City Cauayan.
Startime Enterprises.
Land Bank of the Philippines.
Grant 88 Gaming Corporation.
BNC.
Agribank.
LGU Alicia.
Former Mayor Cesar G.D.
Honorable Faustino Michael Carlos D.D. III.
BM Marco Paolo Maris.
BM Amador Gaffo Jr.
Rural Bank of Cauayan Incorporated.
Act Machineries and Metalcraft Corporation.
First Isabela Cooperative Bank.
Isabella La Suerte Rice Meal. Thank you very much po. Thank you very much as well to Lions Jade Corporation.
Siyempre, we cannot forget about DNF. LGU Angadanan.
LGU Ilagan.
LGU Dinapige.
CGC Grains Incorporated.
Big Brother Cornix.
Coca-Cola.
LGU San Isidro.
LGU Tamawini.
BM Adrian Philip Baisap.
Miss Andy Vergara.
Isabela RC Commercial.
Isabella Houseware Center Company.
Masagana Grains Center.
Jimmy's Rice Meal.
JD Enterprises.
Maraming salamat po. Isama na din po natin ang Star Paint Center.
Andyan din po ang S&J Marketing.
Casa Rosa Bed and Breakfast.
East West Banking Corporation.
We also have Compact Enterprises.
We have Maison Hotel and Restaurant.
Dr. Esther R. Garcia General Hospital.
Centro United Merchandising.
DJ Paint Center and General Merchandise.
Roadmaster Auto Supply.
Isabella United Doctors Medical Center.
Pandayan Bookshop.
Security Bank Corporation.
RMQ.
New Marriage Rice Mill.
Glass Planet Aluminum.
Family Grains Processing Center.
Golden Rural Bank of the Philippines.
At syempre, NCD Auto Supplies and Services.
We have Mardeb.
Triple J Pansit Kabagan para
Parang
nakagutom
nagutom ako
yun na
dyan,
partner.
Elastica Bamboo Trading.
BPI.
Malik Plains.
Rural Bank.
China Bank.
LGU San Agustin.
LGU Echage.
LGU Mali.
LGU Nagilian.
LGU Quirino.
LGU Kabatuan.
Maraming salamat din po sa LGU Ramon.
Siyempre, nandiyan din ang LGU San Mateo.
Jollibee Corporation.
Nakakagutom din yun. And Save More. Maraming salamat po. Pero hindi pa tayo nagtatapos dyan, partner. Kailangan din natin magpasalamat at nais natin magpasalamat sa generosity ng mga pamunuan dito sa Cauayan. So let's begin with City Mayor Cesar JCSD Jr. Maraming salamat po, Mayor.
Thank you, Mayor. We also have City Vice Mayor Bong Dalin Jr.,
Governor Rodito Albano III,
Vice Governor Boji D.,
Congressman Ino D.,
Cauayan City Councilors,
Provincial Government of Isabela,
City Local Government of Cauayan,
and the people of Cauayan City. Palakpakan nyo naman po ang inyong mga sarili. Thank you so much for being here.
Yes.
Thank you so much for your support.
Gising na gising pa sila kasama natin ngayon as we do it for the official announcement.
Correct. That's right, partner. Siyempre, the overall event chairman, Madam Dina Dalin. Maraming salamat din po. And we would like to acknowledge this year's overall City Fiesta Director General, Mr. Leoncion Cid Dalin III, and Assistant Director General, Honorable Edgardo Egay Atienza. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Parang gutom na sila, partner.
Oo nga, parang narinig nila yung Jollibee,
Oo
tsaka
nga eh.
yung pansit kabagan, parang tayo, partner.
Gutom na po ba kayo?
Ay, yes, to.
Lakas.
Mas
Gutom na po
malakas
ba
pa
kayo?
yun.
Lilipas din po yan.
Oo, kaya nyo yan.
Kaya yan, lilipas din po yan. Sama-sama po tayo.
Sama-sama tayo hanggang mamaya, hanggang matapos. Dahil syempre aabangan natin, partner, ang result ng ating kompetisyon ngayong gabi. Because in a short while, we'll get to know who will join our ladies or among the ladies for the final round of the competition.
The top 5. Ito na yung inaabangan kasi pag nakapili na po tayo ng top 5, nandun na yung ating Mutya ng Cauayan 2024. Tama ba, partner?
Yes, partner. At syempre, for the top 5, we'll only have one question for them.
That's right. So medyo magkakalamanan talaga dun because it's just gonna be one question for all of them.
And the candidates will be isolated or meron silang
Headphones, most probably,
syempre,
partner.
just to make sure that they cannot hear the question.
Partner, kunyari ikaw yung tinanong kanina doon sa mga 17 na questions tungkol sa clean water. Ganyan. Anong masasabi mo doon, partner? Candidate number
Nakakatuwa
36.
kasi binigay mo sa akin yung SDG na meron kaming project sa GCI.
Oh, perfect! Perfect! Sige.
You know, clean water is very important for us because, of course, how can we live without clean water? So it's very important for us to advocate on making sure that we have potable and clean water to make sure that we also have good health.
Napakagaling
Because
talaga
without
naman.
good health, we cannot have success in life.
That's right.
We
A
cannot
prosperous
serve our
life.
community and we cannot let our community prosper as well.
That's right. Ang ganda nun, ang haba nung sagot mo doon, partner. Kasi kung ako yung tatanungin mo doon, ang sasabihin ko lang dyan, save H2O before H2 late.
Totoo, in fairness.
Pwede rin yun, partner, di ba? Pasok pa rin yan. And now, we
I
have
believe-
the result. Ito na, partner.
Ito na talaga. In no particular
In
order.
no particular order.
The moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen. Our top 5 finalists.
Here we go. Good luck to all of you ladies. Our first finalist is Mutya. 11. Our third finalist is Mutya. 12.
The 4th spot is yours, Mutya. 35.
And the last spot for tonight, for our top 5, belongs to Mutya. 3.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you your top 5 for this year's Mutya ng Cauayan 2024.
Congratulations, ladies! Cauayan City among these 5 is your Mutya ng Cauayan 2024. Sino kaya siya? Isigaw nyo!
Thank you very much, ladies. Proceed now at the backstage and prepare for the next round of the competition.
Now, as we crown our new queens, we say farewell to the much-loved batch of 2023 queens who have fulfilled their duties with compassion, worthy to be called Mutya ng Cauayan Queens.
Taking their last walk on the Mutya ng Cauayan stage, here are your Queens of 2023.
Let us all go down memory lane as we call them one by one. That was a fun walk down memory lane. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to move on from that. Maraming salamat pa rin doon sa ating mga queens ng 2023, partner.
Of course, our queens have mesmerized us with their wonderful reign and inspired us last 2023.
That's right.
So as we get closer in our goal tonight, now, ladies and gentlemen, we now have our top 5 finalists for the final.
May sense talaga, partner, with a total of
100%. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the one last challenge coming up for our finalists. And this final Q&A will surely separate the queens from the rest. 30 seconds will be allocated for the candidates to answer the given question.
One question will be asked for all the finalists as we call the first finalist to join us here for her question. Headphones will be placed on the other 4 ladies.
So, good luck to our finalists. And we have here our final question. Let's call our first finalist. We will be reading the question twice. And again, you only have 30 seconds to answer.
Are you ready? Your final question is,
who is the woman would you say has impacted your life the most and why? Who is the woman would you say has impacted your life the most and why?
The woman who impacted my life the most is Miss Karen Ibasco, our Miss Earth 2017. She was a woman of style and substance. She is confident, and despite being bashed of her beauty because of not being a cup of beauty in a beauty pageant in standard, I'd say that she was confident, she was strong enough, and she was committed to champion her causes closest to her heart.
thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Mutya 11, maraming salamat. Let's call on our next Mutya, please.
So again, our candidates will only have 30 seconds to answer.
Just 30 seconds. So you really need to collect your thoughts and deliver it well.
At syempre, partner, ang mahihirapan ngayon ay ang ating mga hurado.
Ang mga hurado ang nahihirapan po talaga.
This is the final round of the competition and we are an inch closer to knowing who will be crowned Mutya ng Cauayan 2024.
That's right. Kitang-kita ko po yung mga judges natin. Nakakunot na ang noo. Hirap na po sila. So here we have our next Mutya, Mutya 1. Are you ready? Your question is,
who is the woman would you say has impacted your life the most and why? I repeat, who is the woman would you say has impacted your life the most and why?
The woman that impacted my life the most is my mother. My mother has faced a lot of struggles in life, but he stands firm in herself, in her faith. That's why he raised me as that someone who can navigate the turbulences in life because I have faith in God and I can spread my wings and soar higher and higher as I can. Thank you.
thank you very much, Mutya 1.
Thank you, Mutya 1.
Maraming salamat po. Well said. Now, we will call our next Mutya, Mutya 12.
Eh nakakatuwa, partner, talagang nakikinig ang ating audience.
Yes, tumatahimik sila pag nagsasalita. Talagang they really wanna hear what what our Mutyas will say. Or
Correct.
ano ang i-deliver nila.
And our third finalist is here.
Hello?
Ready? Here's your final question. Who is the woman would you say has impacted your life the most and why? I repeat. Who is the woman would you say has impacted your life the most and why?
It's not just one woman, it's actually one of the many women high school teachers that I have. I saw them make their lives their own. Some of them are mothers now, just like they have always wanted to be. Some of them have built businesses from the ground up. Some of them have built houses. They have basically made their life their own, and I would be grateful to follow the footsteps and know how to make my life my own, just like Ma'am Jensky Palting, Ma'am Aldiosa, and the many other teachers of which I look up to.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Mutya 12.
We only have two.
Two more, partner. Two more. And now let us call on Mutya, 35.
Ano kaya yung feeling, no, sa loob ng isolation booth, partner?
Wala kang idea kung ano yung itatanong, di ba? I'm
Diba?
sure kinakabahan silang lahat, partner.
For sure. And finally, we have here our fourth finalist.
Hello. Are you ready?
Yes, 100% ready.
Wow. Okay.
So here is your question. Who is the woman would you say has...
I wanted to create an environment wherein they feel heard and valued. And most importantly, I want to work with the LGU Cauayan to give them training to equip their skills for them to land in a more better paying job. By then, no children will have to go through what I've been experienced. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You felt that, partner.
I felt that, partner.
Okay.
Wow.
So that's our fourth.
That's our fourth. And we have one more. Are you ready for the final, Mutya, ladies and gentlemen?
Yes. Naku, mukhang ready sila.
Ready na sila, partner.
So let's call in our last but definitely not the least.
Mutya, 3.
Hello, Mutya 3. Ready?
Hello?
Okay. Ready?
Can I...
Yes, you can adjust. All right. So here is your question. Who is the woman would you say has impacted your life the most and why? I repeat. Who is the woman would you say has impacted your life the most and why?
Good evening. The woman that impacted my life the most is my mother. My mother is my role model as she teaches me to be resilient, to be confident here, and she's the reason why I am here and standing in front of you, representing myself, showing myself. And without my mother, I am not here. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Mutya 3.
And that concludes our final question and answer portion.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause, please, for our top 5.
Well, partner, we are getting closer to knowing who will be crowned Mutya ng Cauayan 2024.
Super close, partner. But as we crown our new queens, we say farewell to the much-loved batch of 2023 queens who have fulfilled their duties with compassion worthy to be called Mutya ng Cauayan Queens. So, let us go down memory lane as we call them here on stage one by one.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome the reigning queens of Mutya ng Cauayan 2023. Mutya ng Cauayan Technology, Mine Makato. Ladies and gentlemen, Mutya ng Cauayan Technology, Mine Makato. our reigning Mutya ng Cauayan Agriculture, Liana Soriben. Once again, a round of applause to Mutya ng Cauayan Agriculture 2023, Liana Soriben. Let us now welcome the Mutya ng Cauayan Culture and the Arts, Princess Sofia Salmonte. Once again, a round of applause to the 2023 Mutya ng Cauayan Culture and the Arts, Princess Sofia Salmonte. Let us now welcome on stage Mutya ng Cauayan Tourism 2023, Shirin Bautista. Once again, Mutya ng Cauayan Tourism 2023, Shirin Bautista. And now, let's welcome on stage the 2023 Mutya ng Cauayan and Queen Isabella 2024 second runner-up. A big round of applause to Alexis and Ramos.
As I stand before you tonight, I'm with a whirlwind of emotions as I bid farewell to my role and hard-earned dream as your Mutya ng Cauayan 2023. This journey has been a remarkable chapter in my life, one that I will forever hold close to my heart. Before I pass on the crown, I want to take a moment to express my deepest appreciation to each of you who has supported me along the way. To my dear family, supportive friends, my boyfriend, the dedicated organizers, generous sponsors, to the local government unit of Cauayan, and from the House of Beauty Queens. Your unwavering support and tireless efforts have been the backbone of this incredible experience. Without your dedication, none of this would have been possible. To the young girls in our community, always remember the importance of believing in yourself and pursuing your dreams with unwavering determination. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to, and I hope my journey has served as a reminder of that. As I prepare to pass on the crown to my successor, I do so with a profound sense of pride and gratitude for the opportunity to represent our community. Though my time as your Mutya ng Cauayan 2023 may be coming to an end, my commitment to serving and uplifting our community remains steadfast. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for entrusting me with this incredible honor. I am forever grateful for the love, support, and cherished memories that you have given me. With heartfelt appreciation, again, this is Alexis Ann Isidro Ramos, your Mutya ng Cauayan 2023 and Queen Isabella 2024 second runner-up, handing in my sweetest farewell to all. Agiaman.
To our queens, your legacies will always be treasured. Continue being the ambassadress of goodwill. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to your 2023 Mutya ng Cauayan Queens. Thank you to our 2023 queens. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome back our top 5 finalists for this year's Mutya ng Cauayan 2024.
How about a big hand for our former queens? Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much for a beautiful reign, our 2023 queens. And now, of course, before we announce our winners, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to acknowledge the reliable people behind this production.
Beginning with Ron Luquiao.
We'd also like to thank Shane Pagirigan,
Eds Domingo.
our script writer, Lindbergh R. Aquino.
Chan Chan Brights. We also have MJ Estabillo,
Rickson Reyes,
Rod Soto,
Lester Arao,
Krisha Arao,
Jekoy Tabago,
Robert Mateo,
Mayan Estrero,
Alex Molina,
Mayban Pascuala.
Diane Madalora.
Thank you very much as well to PNP Rescue 922.
POST, maraming salamat. The Incident Management Team, thank you very much. We'd also like to thank the volunteer staff from SP Office, Vice Mayor's Office, and official makeup and hairstylist of Mutya ng Cauayan. The parents and relatives, maraming salamat po. Of course,
Thank you very much to our esteemed Board of Judges. Palakpakan naman po natin sila mga kaibigan. Our powerhouse Board of Judges of this evening. Thank you so much.
also let us give a big round of applause to our choreographer, Bimbi Asuncion.
Thank you as well, our official photographer, BJ Melchor.
And our videographer, Arcana Films by MC Kayatok.
Our voiceover artist, Mel Lasiste.
Our script writer, Lindbergh Aquino.
Our technical team, audio works by Sir Carlo Flores.
Our tabulator, ISU Cauayan City.
David Reyes for the LED displays.
And our overall program director, Johnson S. Castro of the Sir John Creative Events and Productions.
A big round of applause, please, for the whole production team of this year's this year's Mutya ng Cauayan 2024.
All right. At this point, we are about to reveal the winners of our new set of crowns.
Who among our top 5 finalists will be crowned as the new Mutya ng Cauayan 2024? Nako, parang hindi ko marinig,
Oh,
partner.
People of Cauayan City, are you ready? Nagsisigawan na sila, partner. Actually, I have the result in my hand.
This is it. So, our first crown for tonight, Mutya ng Cauayan Technology.
The Mutya ng Cauayan 2024 Technology will receive 30,000 peso cash, a sash, personalized crowns, trophies, bouquet of flowers by City Blooms of Dexter Guzman, to be awarded by Mutya ng Cauayan 2023 Technology, Mine Macato, Madam Maria Deborah Garcia, Miss Nixie D, and the manager of Casino Cagayan Valley.
Mutya ng Cauayan 2024 Technology is Mutya 3 Bacolod.
Congratulations, Mutya ng Cauayan 2024 Technology. Now, Mutya ng Cauayan 2024 Agriculture.
The Mutya ng Cauayan 2024 Agriculture will receive 30,000 pesos, a sash, personalized crown, trophy, and a bouquet of flowers from City Blooms. To be awarded by Mutya ng Cauayan 2023 Agriculture, Leana Soriben, Miss Catherina Rodriguez, Sir Kenneth Cruz, Mr. K, and Miss J. Dizon.
Our Mutya ng Cauayan 2024 Agriculture is Mutya 12 District 2.
30,000 cash, a sash, personalized crown, trophy, and a bouquet of flowers from City Blooms. To be awarded by Mutya ng Cauayan 2023 Culture and the Arts, Princess Sofia Almonte, Miss Camille Padilla, Sir Emerson Gomez, Dr. Renato Solidum Jr., and Miss Janice Escaño, owner of Oteps Sinuno and Hardin Leoteps.
Mutya ng Cauayan 2024 Culture and the Arts. None other than Mutya. Lapida. Ladies and gentlemen, we only have 2 candidates left, but only one is your next Mutya ng Cauayan.
The first name that we will be announcing is your Mutya ng Cauayan Tourism.
And automatically, the name that will not be called is your Mutya ng Cauayan 2024.
The Mutya ng Cauayan 2024 Tourism will receive 30,000 pesos, a sash, personalized crown, trophy, bouquet of flowers by City Blooms. To be awarded by Mutya ng Cauayan 2023 Tourism, Shireen Bautista, Miss Tourism Queen Philippines Universe, Julie May Panaga Villanueva, Provincial Tourism Officer, Madam Joanne D. Marananan, Honorable Leoncio A. Daline Jr., City Vice Mayor, Mr. Alan Mark Kenneth Fernandez, and Mr. John Cedric Tan of Cape Lucano. Mutya ng Cauayan 2024 will receive 50,000 peso cash, a sash, personalized crown, trophy, bouquet of flowers by City Blooms, and 100,000 worth of skincare package by Dr. J.V. Pua from Pua Aesthetic Clinic. She will also be the ambassadress of Glow Skin Clinic.
Mutya ng Cauayan Tourism is Mutya. Stand for bid! That means, ladies and gentlemen, that Mutya ng Cauayan
2024
is Mutya 1 Kabaruan!
Mutya ng Cauayan 2024 to be awarded by Mutya ng Cauayan 2023 and Queen Isabella 2024. Second runner-up, Alexis Ann Ramos. City Mayor Cesar J.C. S.D. Jr. Director General Leoncio C. A. Dagaling III. Congressman Jocelyn Tulfo and Congressman Ino D. To be joined as well by Senator Rafi Tulfo.
ladies and gentlemen, Hawaiianos, presenting to you, Mutya ng Cauayan 2024. Mutya 1!
Jarina Sandu from Barangay Kabaruan, Mutya 1. Congratulations! Mutya ng Cauayan 2024.
Again, congratulations to the new queen of Cauayan City.
Once again, thank you so much to Rabbits of Flower Shop for the beautiful bouquets of our winners tonight. Thank you, Rabbits Flower Shop. And to all our Mutya winners tonight, there is an additional 10,000 pesos each from Kong Ino and Vice Governor Boji G.
Lahat po ng ating candidates, lahat!
Yes!
That's right.
Wow.
Thank you so much, Mayor.
Thank you so much.
From
Kong
Kong Ino and Vice Gov. Maraming
Wow.
salamat po. Well done, ladies. Good job.
And now, Mutya ng Cauayan 2024. Please take your first walk as Mutya ng Cauayan 2024.
From Kabaruan, Jarina Sandu. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We just witnessed the crowning of our new Mutya ng Cauayan 2024.
And we are hoping to see you again as we crown the next phase of Mutya ng Cauayan.
Thank you so much, people of Cauayan City. This has been the grandest coronation in Northern Philippines.
This is a pageant that embodies beauty and profound sense of responsibility.
Ladies and gentlemen, this has been the Mutya ng Cauayan 2024 Grand Coronation Night. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you so much, Jeff and Go for my gowns and Brian Paulino for hair and makeup.
Mayor JC, maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Brian, and both of Mayo for assisting Brian for my hair, and Ricochet for my the DJ. Thank you so much, Cauayan City. Thank you, Mayor JC.